just like that. Be right there, just gotta suit up. Caressing on the moon from Earth, was born and infused for what I search. I travel through the universe, blood, sweat, and dirt. Tears turn to waterfalls, emotions burst. I train skillfully, the illest me. The sharp edges like calligraphy, skyline my symmetry. Star-Lord entity, trials for your penalties. High-ranked official, glide amongst the missile. With stars I mingle, commando. Mr. Spacely, sit Baileys while your hands shaky. My whole design crazy, formed like an alchemist. Mountains lift, hit your chest piece, read the now shit gift. Howl at a chick dressed in the finest prints. Truth or double dare, middle grounds is out the picture. Rap is my love affair, so save it for the ones that dish just super well. With a meteor coated shell, you know the deal, guard the galaxy like Peter Quill. Far from marriage, consider this a classic. Gully Galactus, gravitate on any axis. Wrong planet, see the glare in his eye vanquish. Legendary status, full metal jacket. Captain of the ship, so many ups and downs, but still what y'all lack is this. No comparisons, never less than nil, still got strength to feel. You know the deal, guard the galaxy like Peter Quill. Self-mastered, bone chillin', well past it. Literary, well-practiced, foot soldier stealth tactics. Great epic, some acclaim cinematic. Frequencies cause static, don't get your feelings fractured. Daydream envisioned on the rise of Magnus. Every song dynasty, northern style praying mantis. You can feel my anxious as it intensifies. Men alive, cause beyond the eyes there's nothing simplified. Prepare to fly with a ruthless wise with no disguise. Some of them striving, some left petrified. If it applies, be honorous. A precious jewel and I offer this. Never judge a book, son, that's common sense. Miraculous, what an event. See the pattern split, natural like a Taoist. The true will account to this, yet and still. In this matrix I ingest the pill. You know the deal, guard the galaxy like Peter Quill. Far from marriage, consider this a classic. Gully Galactus, gravitate on any axis. Wrong planet, see the glare in his eye vanquish. Legendary status, full metal jacket. Captain of the ship, so many ups and downs, but still what y'all lack is this. No comparisons, never less than nil, still got strength to feel. You know the deal, guard the galaxy like Peter Quill.